हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल बायोलॉजी टाइम। आई एम तान्या मलिक और आज हम बात करेंगे बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर की केमिस्ट्री के सिलेबस के बारे में। बीएससी के सेकेंड ईयर में पेपर 1 इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, इसमें पहला चैप्टर है शेप्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, जिसमें सब टॉपिक्स हैं हाइब्रिडाइजेशन ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स एंड डायरेक्शनल नेचर ऑफ कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड, सिडविक पावर थ्योरी, वैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर रिपल्जन यानी विस्पर थ्योरी, shapes of inorganic molecules and anions such as BeCl2, BF3, InCl2, SiF4, NH3, H2O, OF2, Cl2O, CiO, PCl3, PCl5, sp4, CiF3, ICI3, PPH3, BrFs, IF7, XCF4, XCF6, CO2-3, NO2-3, PO3-4, CiO-4, SpF4, SbF2-F5, and many more, and related species. सेकेंड चैप्टर है पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स। इसके सब टॉपिक्स हैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड ग्रुप टेंट्स, synthesis properties and structure of their hybrids and halides, application of redox potential diagrams with reference to N, P, S, Cl, Br and I. Third chapter है P block elements again, compounds, allotrophy of boron, carbon, phosphorus and sulfur. Peroxo compounds of B, C and S, oxyacids of N, P, S and halogens, interhalogens, pseudohalogens, and polyhalides. Fourth chapter D block elements, transition elements, general characteristics, variable oxidation states, complex formation, color, magnetic properties, and catalytic properties, comparative account of 3D, 4D, and 5D, transition metals with respect to their atomic and ionic sizes, stability of oxidation states, and magnetic properties. Fifth chapter Coordination Chemistry, isomerism in coordination compounds, definition and some typical examples. Stereochemistry of metal complexes involving coordination number 3 to 7. Chapter number 6 Extraction of elements, chemical principles involved in the extraction and isolation of the following elements: B, F, Si, Ge, Cr, and Ni. Chapter 7 Inorganic compounds, preparation, properties, and uses. Boric acid, borides, diborane, fibrous alumina, and zirconia. Silanes, ultra pure Si and Ge. Hydrazine, hydroxylamine, hydrozoic acid, hyponitrous acid, trialkyl and triaryl phosphates. Phosphate ester, potassium hexacyanoferrate, second and third. Sodium hexanitrocobaltate, third. Eighth topic है inorganic compounds, structure and bonding of diborane, borazine, phosphozine, dimeric aluminum chloride, hyponitrous acid, nickel carbonyl. Ninth chapter gravimetry, principle of gravimetric analysis, co-precipitation, post-precipitation, and supersaturation, numericals based on gravimetric analysis. Paper second Organic Chemistry. First chapter is Electromagnetic Spectrum, Absorption Spectra, Ultraviolet UV Absorption Spectroscopy, Absorption Law, Beer Lambert Law, Molar Absorptivity, Presentation and Analysis of UV spectra, Types of Electronic Transition, Effect of Conjugation, Concept of chromophore and auxochrome, bathochromic, hypsochromic, hyperchromic, and hypochromic shifts, UV spectra of conjugated enes and enones, infrared absorption spectroscopy, molecular vibration, Hooke's law, selection rules, intensity and position of IR band, measurement of IR spectrum fingerprint region, characteristics absorption of various functional groups, and interpretation of IR spectra of simple organic compounds. Chapter 2 Alcohols, monohydric alcohols, methods of formation by reduction of aldehyde ketone, carboxylic acid, and ester, hydrogen bonding, acidic nature, reaction of alcohols. Dihydric alcohols, methods of formation, chemical reaction of vicinal glycols, oxidative cleavage, and pinacol-pinacolain rearrangement. Trihydric alcohols, methods of formation, chemical reaction of glycerol. Third chapter is phenols, preparation of phenols, acidic character, comparative acidic strength of alcohols and phenols, resonance stabilization of phenoxide ion, reaction of phenols, electrophilic aromatic substitution, acylation and carboxylation, mechanism of Fry's rearrangement, Claisen rearrangement, Gattelmann synthesis, Hauben-Hirsch reaction, Lederer-Menas reaction, and Reimer-Tyermann's reaction. Chapter 4 is ethers and epoxides. Ethers, Williamson synthesis, reaction with HX, synthesis of epioxides, acid and base catalyzed ring opening of epioxides, orientation of epioxide ring opening, reaction of Grignard and organolithium reagent with epioxides. Fifth chapter is aldehydes and ketones. Synthesis of aldehyde and ketones with particular reference to the synthesis of aldehydes from acid chlorides. Synthesis of aldehydes and ketones using 1,3 ions. Synthesis of ketones from nitriles and from carboxylic acids. Mechanism of nucleophilic addition to carbonyl group with particular emphasis on benzoin, aldol, Perkin and Neuf-Engel condensations. Condensation with ammonia and its derivatives. Witting reaction, Mannich reaction, use of acetyls as protecting group, oxidation of aldehydes, Baeyer-Willigers oxidation of ketone, Cannizzaro reaction, MPV, Clemenson, Wolff-Kirschner, LiAiH4 and NaBH4 reductions, halogenation of anolizable ketones. Chapter 6 Carboxylic acids, acidity of carboxylic acid, effects of substituents on acid strength, preparation of carboxylic acids, reaction of carboxylic acids, Hell-Vohard Zelinsky reaction, synthesis of acid chlorides, esters and amides, reduction of carboxylic acids, mechanism of decarboxylation, methods of formation and chemical reaction of haloacids and hydroxyl acids. Chapter 7 Carboxylic acid derivatives, relative reactivities of acetaldehyde, interconversion of acid derivatives, nucleophilic acyl substitutions, preparation of carboxylic and derivatives chemical reactions, mechanism of esterification and hydrolysis, acid and basic. Chapter 8 Organic compounds of nitrogen, preparation of nitroalkanes and nitroarenes, chemical reactions of nitroalkanes, mechanism of nucleophilic substitution in of nitroarenes, mechanism of nucleophilic substitution in nitroarenes and their reduction in acidic natural endalkyne media, separation of a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines, structure feature affecting basicity of amines, amine salt as phase transfer catalysts, preparation of alkyl and aryl amines, reduction of nitro compounds nitriles, reductive amination of aldehyde and ketonic compound. Gabriel Thalamide reaction, Hoffman's bromide reaction, reaction of amines, electrophilic aromatic substitution in aryl amines, reaction of amines with nitrous acid, synthetic transformation of aryl diazonium salts, azocoupling. Now, third paper Physical Chemistry, Chapter 1 Thermodynamics, thermodynamic derivation of the law of mass action, reaction isotherm and Van 't Hoff's equation, influence of temperature on equilibrium constant K, thermodynamic derivatives of phase rule, partial molar quantities, chemical potential, Gibbs-Duhem equation, Gibbs-Duhem equation again, chemical potential and other thermodynamic functions, effect of temperature of chemical potential, effect of pressure on chemical potential of real gases and turgidity of real gases, colligative properties, thermodynamic treatment. lowering of vapor pressure, osmotic pressure of boiling point, and depression of freezing point. Second chapter, chemical kinetics and catalysis, steady state approximation, Lindemann's theory of unimolecular reaction, qualitative treatment of transition state theory of reaction rates, primary salt effect in ionic reaction, kinetic of homogeneous acid base and enzyme catalysis, heterogeneous catalysis, negative catalysis and inhibition, effect of pH and temperature on enzyme catalysis, effect of temperature on surface reaction promoter and poisons. Chapter 3, photochemistry, absorption of light, chain reaction, free radical chains, Rice-Herzloid mechanism for the decomposition of ethane, Lambert's and Beer's law, Grothag-Draper law, Einstein law of photochemical equivalence, quantum efficiency, resins for low and high quantum yields, kinetics of some typical photochemical reaction, decomposition of acetaldehyde, dimerization of anthracene, photoelectric cell, photosensitization. Fourth chapter EMF, electromotive force, concentration cells with or without transferation, liquid junction potential, fuel cells, chemical cells without transference. Chapter 5, atomic structure, Bohr's theory, Sommerfield's model, dual nature of electron, de Broglie equation, experimental verification of the wave nature of electron, division and division and Germer's experiment, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, one-dimensional Schrödinger wave equation and physical significance of the wave function. Particle in a box, one dimension only. Chapter 6, nuclear chemistry, radioactive decay and equilibrium, nuclear reaction Q value, cross sections, types of reactions, chemical effects of nuclear transformations, natural and artificial radioactivity, theory of nuclear disintegration and displacement law, radioactive series, nuclear binding energy, nuclear reaction, fission and fusion products and fission yields, radioactive isotopes and their issues, radioactive techniques, tracer technique, neutron activation analysis, counting techniques such as GM ionization and proportional counter. Thank you for watching my video.